Morning, kids. I'm your computer teacher, Mohana Ravi. Today, we are going to see our book back questions in this lesson. Okay. In the previous video, we gone through the lessons. Okay. Gone through the lesson explanation. Today, in this lesson, we are going to see book back questions. Before that, we are going to have a small recap on the last video. Okay, all slides will have a small recap. Okay, we saw in this slide we cannot do all work on our own without anyone's help, without anything's help. Okay, that means without machine life is not possible. Okay, without we need some machines help so that machines makes our work easy. Okay, next, now in this video, what are all the machines are there which which keeps us comfort. Okay, to travel bus is required, and to do our heavy work like constructions, this crane, and to travel luxuriously, car is required. Okay, the same way, the three-step process I explained you while explaining the input process output. I explained you some machines. Okay, the same way, washing machine one example, TV another example, calculator another example. In this way, computer is also a machine. Okay, which help us to do our work easily and quickly, without mistake. Next, then we saw components of computer. Components means parts of computer. Keyboard is a part of computer, which is a input device. It's an input device. Next, monitor. Monitor is a output device. Monitor is an output device. Okay. Next, CPU is a processing unit, processing device. CPU is a processing device. Then speaker is a output device. Speaker is a output device. Next, mouse is also input device. This is also an input device. Next, these five are the previous slides. Up to the previous slides, the parts of computer gets over. Okay, parts of computer get over. We saw all the parts of computer. Parts of computer means what and all the parts of computer. Keyboard, first we saw keyboard, then monitor, then CPU, then speaker, then mouse. So how many parts are there in computer? 5 parts. Okay, 5 parts. Okay, now our computer also does calculations, and the same way calculator also does the same calculation. Okay, so both are doing the same job. Then what is the difference between these both? That we should see, no? Okay, we'll see the difference now. It has 5 parts and it has no parts. Okay, it's a single unit. It is all 5 units together forms a computer. Okay, next, it has a big screen, but it has a small screen. Now it works with electricity, it works with battery. Okay, here electricity required, here battery is required. It does large amount of calculations. Any big calculation in a minute it can be done. But with a calculator, only simple calculations we can do. Okay, we cannot do anything big calculations. Next, pictures can do scene. Okay, we can see pictures, movies, and we can listen music. But in calculator, it is not possible. You all know that. Okay, next, we can play games with a computer. Can we play game with a calculator? Is it possible? No, right? So it is not possible. Okay, now from this slide onwards, okay, from here onwards, Our book bag exercises starts. Our book bag exercises starts. Okay. Here we have to spot out the computer parts. There will be 2 or 3 pictures in each slide. We have to spot the correct part of a computer. Okay. Out of 2, you should select one as a part of computer. Means in the exam the pictures would be given, you should circle the right one. Okay. See here, this is cupboard, drawer, wooden drawer, and this is what, this is a CPU. Okay, CPU is a part of computer. Next, you can see this piano, and this is keyboard. Which is the right one? Which is the right one? Which is the part of computer? Keyboard is the right answer. Okay, keyboard is the right answer. Again, see, this is mouse and this is computer mouse. Which one is a part of computer? Yes, you are right. Mouse is a part of computer. Again, Again, see, there are 2 speakers. One is loudspeaker, one is microphone. Which one is a part of computer? Which one is a part of computer? My computer speaker is a part of computer. Okay, next. See, there are 2 boards. One is blackboard we use in classroom. Okay, have gone 4 months, 4 or 5 months have gone by seeing it. From March we haven't seen any blackboard, isn't it? You all are playing nicely at home. At least in the monitor, in the phone, you can see the blackboard. Okay, this is blackboard and this is monitor. Which one is the right answer? Which one is a part of a computer? Yes, this monitor is a part of computer. Next. Okay, up to the previous slide we have to select the part of the computer. We selected the part of a computer. Okay, from this picture again we have to select a machine. Which is a machine that we have to select. Okay, kids. Okay, this also can come in the exam. 2 pictures or 3 pictures would be given, on which you have to circle the machine. Okay, which is a machine that you should circle. Okay, or the tick box would be given, on the box you should tick, right? Okay, here there is ball and other side one mobile phone, which is a machine. Yes, you're right. Which is a phone is a machine. Okay, next, there is a tractor and there is tomato. Which is a machine? Tractor or tomato? Which is a machine? Tractor is a machine. Tractor is a machine. Of course, it does not require any electricity, but it needs fuel. Anything, petrol or diesel, I don't know, it is needed. Okay, then, oh my god, very confusing. Okay, one side is table fan, other side is watch. Which is a machine? You might be thinking, watch is a machine, then table fan is also a machine, then watch is also a machine. Yes, you're right. Both are machine. Okay, both are machines. Both are machines. Next, here, obviously, telephone is a machine. Okay, not the book. Telephone is a machine. Next, there is a crane and there is a chair. Which is a machine? Yes, you're right. Crane is a machine. Okay, crane is a machine. It is kind of a vehicle, heavy vehicle, used to carry the muds in large amount, or in demolishing the buildings and all. It is used. Most of you wouldn't seen this. Kids wouldn't seen this. but the crane would be like this only. Okay, next. Okay, after the previous slide, we have to select the machines. Okay, we selected the machine. 2 or 3 pictures have given to us. We selected the machines. Okay, now from this slide onwards, we are going to learn spelling words. Okay, I have given missing letters and dictation spelling words both are same in this lesson. So I made a single slide. Both the way you should learn. You should learn it as these 5 words as a spelling too, as a missing letter too. Both the way you should learn. Okay, learn the complete word itself. Okay, now I will read once. You all should repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me like we normally do in class. The same way you should repeat after me. Okay, kids, repeat. Computer. 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 One more time. COMPUTER. Computer. Again. Speaker. 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 Again. Monitor. 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 CPU. CPU. Very simple. Only 3 letters. Then finally mouse. 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 Okay. Again and again you should read. Only then it will stick in your mind. The next one is choose the right word. It is like a fill up the dashes. Okay, a first question. Computer is a machine. Computer is a machine. Computer has 5 parts. How many parts this computer has? Computer has 5 parts. Computer works with what? Electricity. Computer works with electricity. Machines makes our work easy. Machines makes our work easy. Pictures too can be seen in the computer. Okay, pictures too can be seen in the computer. In this fifth one, I have not underlined. Pictures is the underlined word. Okay, picture is the underlined word. That is the keyword. Please underline it. Okay. Next, rearrange the jumble words. Okay, rearrange. We have to. It is not arranged in order. Okay, we have to arrange it in order. Okay, board key. Is there any word like board key? So what you should do? Bring this key, KEY, keyword in front of this word. Okay, then it becomes keyboard. Then it is a meaningful word. Okay, and it is also a part of computer. Keyboard. Then what is store money? Is there any word? Store money? There's no word. So what you should do is monitor. Monitor. Bring this money in front of the word. Then it becomes monitor. Okay. Then utercom. Is there any word? Utercom. What we should do? You bring this com in front of this word, then it becomes computer. Okay, then it becomes computer. Okay, then next is use more. Is there any word like this? No, right? So what we should do? We should bring this mo in front of this word, then it becomes mouse. Okay, it is mouse. Then Gatsby. Is there any word? Gatsby? There is no word, right? So we should bring this P in front of this word. Then it becomes speaker. It becomes speaker. Okay. Shall we move on to the next line? Okay. Now write the name of the parts connected to the computer. Okay. Write the name of the parts connected to the computer. Here three pictures are given. Which one is connected with the computer? Wooden draw, CPU and postbox. Which one is the right option? Yes, you're right. CPU is the right option. Here telephone, uh, piano and keyboard. Which one is the right option? Yes, you're right. Keyboard is the right option. Again, mouse, pen, brush. Which one is the right option? Yes, you're right. Mouse is the right option. Again, speaker, loudspeaker, drums. Which one is the right option? Yes, you're right. Speaker is the right option. Again, TV, monitor, blackboard. Which one is the right option? Yes, monitor is the right option. Okay, here we are supposed to select only the parts of computer, only the part which is connected with the computer. Okay, next. Then finally question answers. Okay, then finally question answers. First question, what is computer? Okay, you no need to write the complete answer, kids. Whatever the words I have underlined here, only that you should write. Okay, rest all would be there in the answer sheet. You have to write the answers, write the words, whatever there in the dashes. Okay, the computer is an electronic machine which helps to do a work easily, quickly and accurately. Okay, a computer is an electronic machine which helps to do a work easily, quickly and accurately. How many parts are there in a computer? How many parts are there in a computer? We read through many times. How many parts? Keyboard, mouse, monitor, speaker, CPU. So how many parts? 5 parts. Okay, 5 is the right answer. Okay, what is the full form of CPU? What is the full form of CPU? Is a central power unit or central processing unit or central production unit? Which one is the right answer? Yes, you're right. Central processing unit is the right answer. I have given the label for your reference true there. Okay. Next. Here, PUC, CPU, UPS. Which term is the right term for the picture? What is the right name of the picture? PUC, CPU or UPS? Which one? CPU is the right answer. Okay. This CPU only abbreviated as Central Processing Unit in the previous slide. Okay. Next. TV, screen, monitor. Which one is the right answer? Monitor is the right answer. Monitor is the right answer. Next. Pen, mouse, brush. Which one is the right answer? Mouse is the right answer. Next, gramophone, speaker, microphone. Which one is the right answer? Speaker is the right answer. Okay, speaker is the right answer. Then the final one, telephone, keyboard, typewriter. Which one is the right answer here? Keyboard is the right answer. Okay, keyboard is the right answer. Now we gone through the book back exercises in the first lesson. Okay, we went through all the. I have not I have not left anything. Okay, completed, covered all exercises. Okay, now what is your job here? You have to again and again watch this video, and then only then it will stick in your mind. Practice the missing letter as a dictation words. Practice the words are there in the question. Okay, question and answer. Okay, do good, practice well. We'll meet you in the next class.